Hello students, very nice morning to all of you. Myself Deepak Kumar Prusti from Modern English School, Mutinagar Nevada branch. Today I am going to discuss the first video lecture of the chapter 6 class 7. Topic is Excel formulas. Students, in the last chapter we have already discussed what do you mean by MS Excel, what is the use of that one. So student, come to the point. In the formula, when you write the formula in an Excel, basically there are three types of data we are using. Okay student, three types of data. What are those? One is the text, one is a number, another one is a formula. So to insert the data in the Excel formula, these three types of data we must need. I will show you in an Excel. Formulas entry always begin with equal sign and consist of numbers like this one and cell reference. Okay, so student, according to this point I want to show the how the three types of data are used in an formulas Excel and begin with equal sign, number and cell reference. What are the cell references? Okay student, so first of all I want to open this one. See, so this is my the student MS Excel. Okay student, so student you see, so this one is our address box here to here. This one is a student A1, they are displayed or not. So see student, this one is a B, this one is a 4. Okay, you see this one is a B, this one is a 4, that is a B4, that is your cell reference. If I want to click here, you see this is your active cell, this is your active cell, and you see this one is a yellow and this is also yellow. So this is the cell address or cell reference is a D15. Okay student, another one is your student when we enter the data in an Excel. This is my the Excel. When I want to enter the data, I will enter the data either the text, okay student, or enter the data values, this is the values, or insert the formulas. Okay student, this one is your suppose. Okay, you see 1, 2, you see, is that clear? So see student, this is the word address box, this is you see name box, this one is a formula box. So this total, okay student, address box is divided in two types. One is a name box, one is a formula box. Okay, so when I want to click here or when you clicked here, so two types of the box will be displayed. Name box, that is your cell reference, that means the cell reference will be displayed in the name box, and the formulas or data will be displayed in the formula box. Okay student, so student, so this is our the point. Okay, the three types of data value. So this is your three types of, this is your text, this is your values, this one is your values mean this was your number, and this one is your formulas. You see here I have inserted the text in the formula bar, the text has been displayed. This one is a number, same number has been displayed, but when I have clicked here, the formula has been displayed. Yes or no? Is that clear student? So in this way we can insert the data in an Excel. That are the three ways. One is a text, number, formulas. Okay student, another thing student, there are so many formulas are used. Okay, just like this is my the one of the sum formulas. Another, suppose I want to use the student average. You see, just I have written the AB, the average formulas has shown. Okay student, then I want to write the what 1, 2, 3. Okay, close. See, average between the 1, 2, 3. Okay, and you find out this is a very easy way to calculate. Okay, if you want to calculate by the Excel also you can easily calculate 1, 2, 3, 6 divided by 3, the number is a 2, the result is 2. Yes or no student? Another one is, suppose I want to find out the student max. And when you put the formula, before the formula always started with the equal sign. Remember, this is my equal sign, this one is a equal sign. If in place, suppose I want to delete the equal sign and I want to, you see, is that clear, student? That means the formulas will be displayed but the no result will be displayed. To display the value of a formula, use the student what? Equal sign. Okay. Next one, suppose I want to find out the student, see this one I want to delete. Okay. Now I want to student max, put the equal sign, then write the max. Okay, in between suppose 45 comma 65 comma 50 comma 90. Okay, this one, see max of the between 4 numbers, result are displayed 90. So in this way we can use the formulas in an Excel. Okay, student, so today's class I have discussed the basics. In the next class the further formulas will be discussed. Okay, that's it. Thank you.